What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to start this video off with a little bit of an apology for it being so long since my last upload. For those of you guys that have been following along closely, you'll know that it was hunting season for me, and so my weekends have been pretty busy, and I know I said I was going to try to get some videos out, but it was busy, so didn't get the videos out. I'm getting one out today for you guys. As far as an update for that goes, I did get my deer this year, so it is a successful season. Got some more meat in the freezer, which is always nice. That's the rest of that topic. So the purpose of today's video, as you guys can probably tell by the title of the video, is I need your guys' opinion on something. So as I said in my last videos, I was doing the wiring job in preparation for my headlight build that I'm going to be putting on my truck. And so it is... wiring job's done, obviously. We're mostly done, and so now it's time to get going on the headlight build, and I want your guys' opinion on something. I wasn't actually planning on doing this video today. I'm pretty tired, not much sleep over the weekends, and it's been busy weeks, but need your guys' help. Alright, so if you guys missed the video where I did the unboxing of these headlights, you're going to get to see them now. Don't worry about going back to seeing it. Although, if you want to go back and watch the video, I wouldn't mind. So these are the new headlights for the truck. Currently, I have a smoked set of headlights that I built with custom kind of halo rings lined up around the perimeter of all these lights. And to be honest, I really like them. I think they're really cool, but I just don't run the LED halos on them very much, and the light output of the actual headlights is not very good. I don't know if it's because I messed up the reflector housing and put it in at the wrong angle or whatnot. I don't really know, but I'm not very happy with them, and so now, like I said, I'm going back through and rebuilding another set of headlights in a little bit of a different style, a style that I thought about doing before and was just a little bit intimidated to try. So now that it's my second headlight build and I'm completely an expert, not so much, but now that's my second build, I think I'm going to do what I always tell you guys to do, and just jump in and try it, and that's basically how you learn. So I may mess up this entire build and ruin this set of headlights. I don't think I will, cross your fingers. I think it should go pretty well, but I'm going to be installing a projector set of headlights inside of these. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with what projectors are, I'll give you a very brief overview of kind of how they work. They are basically a focal lens inside of the housing itself that kind of looks like bug eyes if you've ever seen them, but they're just a circular lens inside the headlights, and they have a reflector inside of it, or a I don't know what you call it, blocker that blocks the lights. And so how it actually works is there's a very strict clean cutoff line on the top of the headlight beam when you're actually looking at it, like on a wall or down the road. So all the light is actually focused down onto the road where you can see it, and it's not scattered up into the air like these kind of housings do. So I guess an advantage of that would be you're not blinding oncoming traffic, which they will thank you for. We've all been there, getting blinded by somebody that threw LEDs in their headlights or HIDs in their headlights, and they're just blinding everybody. And the other advantage of it is it puts a lot more light down onto the actual road itself, which is just easier to see. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these headlights. That's kind of the build plan for these. I'll be installing the HIDs up in this upper area. This will still be the standard reflector. Yeah, there's a number of build threads and build videos on HID retrofits or projector retrofits. I'm not an expert. I've never done this before, but like I said, I'm going to be trying to learn, because one of the best ways to learn is to just jump in and try it. With these headlights being 05 to 07 headlights, like I already have on the truck, this is kind of another one of the steps in doing the whole front end conversion of the truck that I will be doing at some point down the road. Switching it from the 7.3 style front ends to the 05 to 07 6.0 style front ends. It's not a huge difference, but I think it looks a little cleaner and a little meaner than the rounded off, shiny 7.3 front end. So 05 to 07 headlights, if you can see back there, you might be able to recognize, it's focusing on the strap. Nope, it's not going to focus, but That is the 05 to 07 header panel that I will be putting on my truck. Originally, when I did the first headlight conversion on my truck, I ended up just trimming out the back end, and it worked out pretty good. It just wasn't as clean as I would have liked. I think by now you guys have probably noticed that I try to make things as clean as possible when working on my rig, and so I figured I'd spend a little bit of cash and do it the right way and get the 05 to 07 header panel, and that should bolt right into the truck and allow these to sit very evenly and very perfectly, or line up very well. So that'll be part of the build back there, headlights, and then sometime down the road I'll be doing the grill and maybe the bumper. We'll see. Those plans are still yet to be determined. So that's kind of a very brief overview of kind of what my plans are for this headlight build. I think it should, if everything goes to plan, I think it should turn out pretty awesome and actually be very functional, which is always a plus. If you can make it look good and work really good, that's always nice. So I guess the second part of this video, which I'll probably leave in part of the title or the caption or something so you guys know, is going to be doing another giveaway. I just hit 2,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you to all you guys that have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. So for my little bit of gift back to you guys is doing another giveaway, and it will be the 7.3 Powerstroke badges that I ended up not putting on my truck. I really like them. They just didn't kind of go in with the whole scheme that I already had going, and so I figure what better way to use them but to give away to you guys. So I think how I'm going to do that giveaway is I'm going to have it where anybody that leaves a comment on this video will be entered in to win these door emblems or door badges. And then at the end of this whole build series for the headlights, once it's all done and complete and in the truck, I'll go back to this video and actually do a random draw of all the people that commented, and whoever gets drawn gets the badges. If you don't want the badges and you're just leaving a comment, then I'll just go on to the next one. I don't suspect that'll happen, but it might, so I'll cover my bases. If you don't want them, you just want to leave a comment, that's totally fine. I'll get in contact with you, or you get in contact with me, and we'll work it out. It's not going to help your chances if you comment more than once. I would appreciate it if you guys left multiple comments. It helps the channel, but it's not going to help your chances in the giveaway. So it's just going to be anybody that leaves a comment, their names will go into the system, and I'll do a random draw for that. So there you go, guys. I know I always say it's going to be a quick video, but I think this one actually is a quick video, mainly because I'm tired. It's been a long weekend and I haven't got much sleep from hunting, but quick video for you guys. I wanted to get something out. That should be the next build series for the channel. If you're not subscribed and you're interested in watching it, I encourage you to subscribe. This is only one of many things that we've done already, and a lot of stuff we have planned. Some actually pretty exciting stuff. I think I have 3 or 4 projects already lined up. So the schedule's booked out for a lot of fun projects and a lot of stuff that some are common, some are very uncommon, and some are super uncommon at this point for the 7.3 platforms. So I would encourage you guys to subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. For all you guys that are subscribed and have been watching faithfully, I really appreciate it. It means a lot. You guys are allowing me to do some fun stuff and allowing me to kind of follow my passions. I think I'm going to wrap this video up with that. I'm pretty excited for this build. Let me know what you guys think, how you kind of want it filmed, how you think it'd be cool to see it filmed, if you want me to go into more detail. I know a lot of people think the more detailed videos with more talking and whatnot are a little bit boring, which I totally understand. So yeah, I think I'm probably just going to go with a majority vote on this one. Either way, you guys will get a good idea of what all is going on with the build. It's just either going to be more or less talking. So that's it for today's video. Video's going up probably tonight, which is a Sunday night, or hopefully tonight. I should be able to get it up for you guys. So hopefully you guys have had a good weekend. I had a great weekend. It was beautiful weather out here. Hopefully it was the same for you guys. As always, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to get entered in for the giveaway, which is just commenting down below. And let me know what you guys think about how I should film this video series or this build series on the headlights. As always, likes help the channel grow, so I appreciate those. I'll catch you guys on the next video.